Let me bring the book on the screen. Oh, I have not opened the chapter. Vandana was saying yesterday that she's missed a lot of sessions. If we can do it
Oh,
again, I said we will think about it. We'll have to do it again because once is not sufficient to understand this. Yeah, day 18.
yes. Day 18, receiving your prosperity. Are you a magnet for miracles, money, prosperity, and abundance? Today, you learn how you can be when you open yourself to receiving.
Okay,
This is,
so
yeah.
Almas, when we read magic, what was the formula for becoming a magnet or magnetic force? What was that formula? Do you remember that?
I don't remember much, but I do remember reading uh, this about this magnet.
Yeah, magnetic force, right?
Yeah.
So it says if you're happy, if you're joyous, happiness plus gratitude makes you a magnetic force, which will attract whatever you want in your life. So what is this? What is it is saying here? Are you
Magnet of
a
miracle.
magnet for miracles? And we know what are miracles. Miracles are all chamatkar. Yeah,
Yes,
we read it in magic. वो जो चमत्कार जो होता है, जो
yes,
magic
yes,
होता है, that
yes.
is miracle. And it's asking you, are you a magnet to it? And you know how to become a magnet. Are we practicing that in the area of prosperity? That is the question. It says money, prosperity, and abundance. Are you a
Yes,
magnet to miracles, money, prosperity, and abundance? So, are you practicing gratitude along with happiness to attract money, prosperity, and abundance in your life? It's asking you that question. Are
yeah.
you? I am not.
Okay, I do say I'm daily. I'm a money magnet. I attract money into my life. Then I thank you for being there uh, in my purse. Whenever I'm purchasing something, I do say thank you for the money I have. I can spend. Even when I go in for filling the fuel, I say thank you for the money I have. I can put in fuel in my bike. So even when I go to the ATM, I remember that thank you for the money I have in my account. So it is this thing is already imbibed now. It's
Yeah,
uh,
yeah. But are you doing it with a lot of happiness and joy? Or it is just that because you have been doing it, it's become a practice and it automatically comes the moment you say it. The
yeah,
moment you spend.
it automatically comes.
Yeah,
It is not with joy, but yes, because I have learned this, I keep in just telling this in my mind.
yeah, yeah. So it has become more of a habit now because we have been practicing it for so long. And
Mhm.
but are we a magnet to it? Are we doing gratitude every single time? Are we
Mhm.
doing gratitude for all the abundance we have, all the prosperity we have? Now, prosperity to people mean different to different people. So, for some people,
Mhm.
prosperity is having lots of properties. For some people,
Mhm.
prosperity is having a bhara pura parivar.
Mhm.
And for some people, prosperity means having lots of bank balance and
Right.
a big car. So for different
Mhm.
people, prosperity means has different meaning. So money, of course, we know prosperity and abundance. Now, abundance can be in any and every area of our life. Are we feeling abundant in our health? Are we feeling abundant in our relationship? Are we having good relationship with everybody? So everywhere in our life, are we becoming a magnet? So if you start looking at it, I am not. And if you start looking at yourself, you may be practicing it in some areas of life, but are we
Exactly.
practicing it all the time, every day? And are we
No.
doing it with a lot of happiness and joy? We have yet to learn that. We have yet to practice that. So
Yes.
it's asking that question, and answer from my side will be no, I'm not. Yeah. Now it says
Yes.
today. Now you read today.
Today you learn how you can be when you open yourself to receiving.
Yeah. Now it says, now how can you be a magnet to money, prosperity, and abundance? It's this chapter is going to teach you how can you be like that. And for that, you need to be a person who's receptive, जो आप रिसीव करना चाहता है, जो इन सब चीजों के लिए रिसेप्टिव है. हम कह तो रहे हैं हमें बहुत पैसा चाहिए, मुझे तो बहुत सारा पैसा चाहिए, but actions are not meeting with your desires.
Right.
Yeah. Every time you are spending money, you're feeling guilty about it. Every time you're spending money, तुम्हें लग रहा है यार पैसे खर्च होते जा रहे हैं. And then you are looking for abundance. How can that be? Because you are giving signal to universe that there's a scarcity. And then you are saying, I'm open to receiving. How can you be open to receiving when you are always saying that है ही नहीं पैसे, है ही नहीं पैसे, बहुत खर्च हो जाते हैं, इतने आते नहीं जितने खर्च हो जाते हैं, खर्चे इतने समझ नहीं आता. When you're complaining about all these things, that means somewhere you are feeling poor. You're not feeling rich. You're not feeling as if you have abundance of money or abundance of prosperity. So this book is going to teach you how to open yourself to receiving that abundance. अगर आप मैग्नेट बनोगे, अगर आपको मैग्नेट बनना है, तो मैग्नेट बनने के बाद भी जब तक रिसीव नहीं करना सीखोगे, तो भी आपके पास आएगा नहीं ना पैसा.
Right.
You're giving money and you're feeling gratitude. Gratitude will definitely expand, increase whatever you're giving, because you know it is a circle. What goes around comes around. जब आप ग्रेटिट्यूड के साथ पैसा दे रहे हो, तो पैसा तो आएगा वापस, बट वो टिकेगा कि नहीं टिकेगा, ये डिपेंड करता है कि आपका माइंडसेट क्या है. Are you open to receiving it? Are you open to it or not? Because many a times you must have seen people win a lottery, and within a year they're back to square one. उनके पास पैसा खत्म हो जाता है. ऐसे ही आपने देखा होगा, कोई बहुत अमीर आदमी है, बहुत पैसा छोड़ के गया बच्चों के लिए, अब बच्चों ने कुछ ही सालों में सब कुछ गवा दिया. Why is it so? Because they were not receptive to it. They were not open to receiving it.
Mhm.
अगर मेरे पास पैसे आते हैं और अगर मैं अपना क्रेडिट कार्ड के ऊपर बहुत सारा डेब्ट एवरी टाइम अगर अट्रैक्ट करती रहती हूँ, तो व्हाट इज इट? If
Mhm.
I'm not paying off all my credit card bills in full, that means I am giving that sign that I don't have enough. So every time when you are doing any such action, because universe को तो action और feelings से समझ आती है ना आपकी, तो आप
Right.
जो भी feeling के साथ action कर रहे हो, that is what is getting registered. So that is what this book is going to teach us, how to be open to receiving this abundance. Magnet बनने के बाद भी receptive होना बहुत जरूरी है. One, how to become a magnet, that we know, and we will read it about this again in this book. But how to open yourself to receiving. Yeah, read it, please.
This is a good time to go back and look at the notes you wrote in your journal when you first started this course. Do you see how much you have learned? Can you see how much more comfortable you are with saying your affirmations in front of the mirror. You are a magnet of miracles. Do you believe that you are also a magnet for money, prosperity, and abundance? There is so much abundance in the world just waiting for you to experience it. There is more money than you could ever spend. There is more joy than you could ever imagine. There are more people than you could ever meet. If you fully understood this, you would realize that you can have everything you need and desire. The power is within us. The power within us is willing to give us our fondest dreams and enormous abundance in an instant. Are you open to receiving it? If you want something, the universe doesn't say, I will think about it. It readily responds and sends it through. However, you must be open and ready in order to receive it. I have noticed that sometimes
Pause,
when
pause,
people,
pause, pause, Almas.
yeah,
Okay, so what this book is talking about is we have already learned about it in Magic, and in the movie Secret, we have seen it, that there is abundance of everything in the universe. बहुत सब जो भी हमें चाहिए वो ऑलरेडी है, और यूनिवर्स हमारी बात हमेशा सुन रहा है. अब वो हमारे पास क्यों नहीं आ रही है चीज, उसके बारे में हमने अभी 17 चैप्टर्स में पढ़ा कि हमारे अपने ही जो लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स हैं वो हमें वो चीज को एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करने देते हैं, वो चीज को हमारी जिंदगी में आने नहीं देते हैं, क्योंकि हमने खुद ही इतने सारे उसमें दरवाजे बंद कर रखे हैं. नाउ वी आर लर्निंग टू ओपन द डोर्स. In last so many days we have learned how to open the doors to the new things. Now what it says is the universe is always responding to you, but are you open to receiving it? अब आपने जैसे सीक्रेट में देखा, अगर किसी ने कुछ मांगा, यूनिवर्स इमीडिएटली गेट्स इनटू एक्शन. नाउ अब वो जब चीज आने वाली है और आपने उसके बारे में सोचना शुरू किया, मेरे को ये चीज मिल रही है, आई एम सो हैप्पी, I'm so grateful that I'm getting this thing. And after some time, you just you keep affirming it, and suddenly one day you say, यार कुछ नहीं होता. कितने दिन से कह रहे हो, आता तो कुछ है नहीं. ये सब बहाने हैं, ये सब कहानियां हैं यार, कुछ नहीं काम करता. What happens if you remember that particular scene, that you're asking for it and it is coming to you, it is coming to you, it is about to just break this surface and come out, and it is here, and you say kuch nahi hota, aata kuch nahi milta, and it goes back. Do you remember that? It is very clearly etched on my mind how it is that we are not allowing things in our life. हम मांगते हैं, we ask, but we don't believe. Even if we believe, हमारा बिलीफ इतना पक्का नहीं होता कि हम उसको उसके ऊपर स्थिर रहें. एंड देन वी डोंट अलाउ इट. कह तो रहे चाहिए और बर्तन रख नहीं रहे हैं. चाहिए भैया बारिश दे दो, पानी दे दो, बहुत सारा पैसा दे दो, बट यू आर नॉट कीपिंग योर वेसल. उसको उल्टा करके रखा है. अगर बारिश हो रही है और आपने अपने बकेट को ऐसे करके रखा है तो पानी आएगा उसमें? नहीं आएगा ना. You have to open it like this. You have to be receptive. You have to keep it open so that it receives it. तो वो कैसे करना है वो हमने सीखना, because many a times, most of the times, we are not allowing it to flow into our life. Yeah. And it's not universe which is not giving, or it is not that it is not enough in the universe. अगर आपको याद हो सीक्रेट में उसने बोला इतना कुछ है यूनिवर्स में, and what you want, I don't want the same thing ना. तो हमें तो चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है कि मेरी चीज मुझे मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी जो मैं मांग रहा हूँ या जो मैं मांग रही हूँ, बिकॉज उसके पास बहुत है, और जो हमने मांगा है वो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट करता है, तभी हमने मांगा है उसको. It is already existing there. The only thing is we just have to allow it. We just have to be receptive to receive it when we are asking for it. And today's chapter is going to teach us how to अपने पात्र को बड़ा कैसा करना है, अपने वेसल को हमने उसको बड़ा कैसे करना है कि हम मांग तो मैं रहा हूँ मुझे 10 लाख रुपए चाहिए और मेरे पास जो वेसल है उसमें मुश्किल से 50,000 रुपए आएंगे. यू नो व्हाट इज वेसल?
Yeah.
मीनू आपको
No.
समझ आ रही है वेसल का क्या मतलब है यहाँ पे?
जितनी बड़ी हमारी झोली होगी उतना ज्यादा हमें मिलेगा.
हाँ, जितना बड़ा बर्तन होगा उतना बड़ा सामान आएगा.
हाँ, उस बर्तन को बढ़ाना कैसे है, उस बर्तन को एक्सपैंड कैसे करना है.
Yes.
That is what we are going to learn. That is what gratitude also taught us. कि अपने जितना आप दोगे वो मल्टीप्लाई होके आपके पास वापस आता है ना. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट दैट सर्कल. What goes around comes around. तो gratitude is the main ingredient. कि जब आप ले रहे हो किसी से कुछ और आप gratitude दे रहे हो, मन से दे रहे हो, फीलिंग से दे रहे हो, that will determine आपका वेसल कितना बड़ा होने वाला है. Yeah, please read. Yeah, please read.
Yes.
Meenu, you can go on mute, please. Yeah.
The power within us is willing to give us our fondest dreams and enormous abundance in an instant. Are you open to receiving it? If you want something, the universe doesn't say, I will think about you. It readily responds and sends it through. However, you must be open and ready in order to receive it.
Okay, I just wanted to share something here. Yesterday, when I went to, I went 2-3 times to Gurdwara yesterday. मेरे पैर बहुत दुख रहे थे, बहुत ज़्यादा दुख रहे थे, because I have been walking some 2,500 steps for last, I think for 1 month or so. Not a month, maybe almost a month now. So I have not been even doing my 6,000 steps, which I was doing every day. And yesterday I walked more than 14,000 steps. And मेरे पैरों की ना इतनी बुरी हालत थी, इतना दुख रहे थे ना, मतलब मैं जब वापस आई हूँ रात को, मतलब मेरे से चला नहीं जा रहा था, इतने पैरों में मेरे दर्द थी. And I was just telling वनीता मेरे पैरों में बहुत दर्द हो रही है. तो she says दीदी गर्म पानी करके ना उससे अच्छी तरह से पैर धो लो and all. I said हाँ, पर मेरा ना मन नहीं कर रहा. I am feeling so tired and all. And I just wanted to watch TV for half an hour or something before going to bed. So TV नहीं चल रहा था. So I just called up the reception. I said TV नहीं चल रहा. So he sent somebody to switch on the TV and set the channel and all that. That guy came and मैंने उसको बोला, मैंने कहा बकेट मिल जाएगी, बिकॉज यहाँ तो सिर्फ शावर्स ही होते हैं ना, तो बकेट वगैरह होती नहीं है. तो मैंने कहा मुझे एक बकेट चाहिए, मिल जाएगी इसमें पैर डाल के रखने के लिए, मुझे पैर बहुत दुख रहे हैं. कहता मैम मैं आपके पैर मल दूं.
How sweet.
Can you see how universe responds? कहता मैं आपके पैर मल दूं. मैंने कहा हाय बेटा सच में मल सकता है? कहता हाँ हाँ मैं अभी लेके आता हूँ तेल. एंड यू वोंट बिलीव इट, उसने मेरे को बकेट में पानी गर्म करके दिया, मैंने पैर उसमें थोड़ी देर भिगो के रखे, दबा के रखे, एंड देन ही मसाज्ड माय फीट.
Wow.
So I'm just saying universe is responding all the time, but how receptive are you to it? I could have just told him नहीं नहीं मैं नहीं करवाना, मुझे नहीं करवाना. I could have told him that ना, if I was not open to it. If I was not receptive to it, I could have just told him नहीं मुझे नहीं कराना, because I don't know him. Why should I let him touch my feet or touch my body? Yeah, but I was open and receptive to it because I had asked for it. मैंने मांगा कि मेरे पैरों में बहुत दर्द है, and immediately universe responded, and I was open to it, and that guy gave me so much of मेरे पैर मल के गया तो मैं आराम से सो गई रात को. So I just wanted to share कि वो सोचता नहीं है यूनिवर्स हमारे या चो आके I will think about your I will consider your application. जब हम लोन लेते हैं या हम छुट्टी लेते हैं तो पहले सबसे पहले ये आता है ना I will consider your request. यही होता है ना, कॉर्पोरेट में भी यही होता है ना. When you ask for something, the
Right.
mail which comes is, we have received your request and we will consider it and get back to you. अगर आप सपोर्ट में भी जैसे कस्टमर केयर में भी कोई मेल डालते हो तो उसका भी ये जवाब था, थैंक यू फॉर रीचिंग आउट टू अस एंड वी विल सेंड इट टू द कंसर्न पर्सन एंड रिस्पॉन्ड टू यू. ऐसे ही होता है ना. बट यूनिवर्स डजंट से दैट मैं सोचूंगा, आई विल कंसिडर इट. इट्स ऑलवेज लिसनिंग एंड रिस्पॉन्डिंग. वो हमें मिल रहा है नहीं मिल रहा है डिपेंड करता है हमारे रिसेप्टिव होने पे. या प्लीज रीड.
Yes. I have noticed that sometimes when people come to my lectures, they sit with their arms folded across their chest. How are they going to let anything in? It is a wonderful gesture to open your arms wide so that the universe notices and responds.
Okay, so
I-
as per body language, when you are sitting with your arms crossed, आप जैसे सर्दियों में हम लोग बैठ जाते हैं ना, बहुत ठंड लग रही है तो ऐसे डाल के, कैन यू सी इट हाउ आई एम सिटिंग, ऐसे बैठते हैं ना हम लोग. कैन यू
Yes,
सी मी?
yes,
Yeah. What about
Yeah.
you, Varun? Meenu, can you see me the way I'm sitting?
Yeah. Yes, I could see.
Okay. So when you sit like this, you are actually closed. You're not open to receive things. अगर आप किसी कॉन्फ्रेंस में बैठे हो, आप किसी मीटिंग में बैठे हो, if you're sitting like this, that means you're not actually grabbing whatever the person is saying. आप उसको सुन ही नहीं रहे हो, आप उसको ग्रहण ही नहीं कर रहे हो. So what it says is when people come for conferences और किसी मीटिंग में गए हैं या लेक्चर में गए हैं या किसी वेबिनार को सुन रहे हैं and you're sitting like this, you are not open to it, you're not receiving it. आप सुन रहे हो पर आप उसको ग्रहण नहीं कर रहे हो. तो ग्रहण करने के लिए आपको कुछ सिंबल्स जो होते हैं ना, ये जो आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज होती है ना, इट एक्चुअली शोज व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन योर माइंड. तो अगर आप ऐसे करके बैठे हो मीन्स यू आर नॉट ओपन टू इट. आपको लगता है मुझे क्या सुना रहा है यार, मुझे सब पता है, या क्या बकवास कर रहा है, पर सुनना पड़ रहा है बिकॉज आपको बैठना पड़ेगा वहां पे, बिकॉज इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द कॉर्पोरेट प्रोटोकॉल कि आपको ये अटेंड करना ही करना है. या आप किसी लेक्चर में गए हैं या किसी किसी की कथा सुनने गए हो, तब भी आप ऐसे बैठे हो, आपको लगता है यार मुझे नहीं सुनना इसका कुछ. आप सुन भी रहे हो बट आप ग्रहण नहीं कर रहे हो. And without even knowing, you're not letting that information seep in. आप उसको अंदर आने ही नहीं दे रहे हो बिकॉज आपने अपने आर्म्स को क्लोज करके रखा हुआ है. और ये कहीं ना कहीं सबकॉन्शियस माइंड से आ रहा होता है. हो सकता है आपको पता भी ना हो इस बारे में कि आप इस तरह से बैठे हो, बिकॉज वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड से आ रहा है और आपकी बॉडी उसी के हिसाब से रिस्पॉन्ड कर रही है. Now, since you know it, that you have to open yourself to it, now you can open your arms and tell the universe that you are open to receiving it. मुझे abundance चाहिए और मैं उसके लिए तैयार हूं. ये नहीं कि मुझे abundance चाहिए पर मैं तैयार नहीं हूं. आपको खुद ही नहीं पता आप तैयार नहीं हो बिकॉज आपके जो एक्शंस हैं, आपके जो थॉट्स हैं, वो उससे मेल ही नहीं खा रहे जो आप मांग रहे हो. So this chapter is teaching us how to open ourselves to abundance, money and prosperity जो हम चाह रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ में. Yeah, please read.
I have noticed that sometimes when people come to my lectures, they sit with their arms folded across their chest. How are they going to let anything in? It is a wonderful gesture to open your arms wide so that the universe notices, and responds. I invite you to do that right now. Stand up, open your arms, and say, I am open and receptive to all the good and abundance in the universe.
Okay, I want you to
Now,
all, I want all three of you to stand up and do this right now. I'm also going to stand. Okay, open your arms, whether you have mirror in front of you or not. Just open your arms wide open and say, I am open and receptive. Unmute yourself and say it, please.
I am open and receptive to
I am
all the
open and
good.
receptive to all the good and abundance in the universe.
All the good and
I am open and receptive to all the good and abundance in the universe.
Yeah, say it 3 times. I am open and receptive to all the good and abundance in the universe.
I am open and receptive to all the good and
and
abundance in the universe.
Yes,
Open and
great.
receptive to all good and abundance in the universe.
Yes. Yeah, please continue. You have to keep doing this every day and many times during the day. Hanji, pade.
Yes. Now shout it from the rooftops for everyone to hear. Prosperity can mean many things.
अच्छा, अब आप लोग ना जो
Money.
लोग वॉक पे जाते हो या जो लोग योगा करते हो, you can actually make it a part of your yoga. आप योगा के बाद end में you can do this. And if you're doing it in a group, let everybody else do it. सबको मिलना चाहिए abundance and prosperity ना, ये थोड़ी कि मेरे को मेरा ही जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है कि मुझे ही पैसा मिले, मुझे ही prosperity मिले, सबको मिलनी चाहिए ना. तो teach everybody in your house. अपने बच्चों को, अपनी पत्नी को, अपनी माँ को, अपने सबको घर में जितने भी लोग हैं, teach them and do it like a जैसे होता है ना fun activity की तरह से. Start doing it with your family. Fix a time, सब जने इकट्ठे खड़े होंगे और बाहर खड़े होना, बाहर खड़े हो जाओ, घर में खड़े होना, घर में खड़े हो जाओ. Open your arms and say, I am open and receptive to all the good and abundance in the universe. And let everybody say it together. So make it एक रिचुअल बना लो अपने घर में, एक सबने इकट्ठे होकर करना है. और अगर आप किसी ग्रुप में हो, कोई योगा ग्रुप है आपका या कोई और ग्रुप है, you can actually do it in a group also. Because आपको मालूम है मास ग्रेटिट्यूड जैसे होता है, ऐसे मास जब आप ये वाली एक्सरसाइज करोगे, that will also have more power. एंड अगर लोगों को लग रहा है कि आप क्या बेवकूफी कर रहे हो, लेट देम थिंक व्हाटएवर दे वांट टू थिंक यार. अब आपने देखा है लोग जो लाफिंग का योगा करते हैं, लाफ्टर योगा करते हैं, वो भी तो हाथ ऐसे ऊपर करके हा करते हैं ना.
Yeah.
So once they're doing ha, they can just after that say, I'm open and receptive to all the good and abundance in the universe. They can make it a part of that, so that everybody is saying it along, together. So आपने इसको किस तरह से अपनी लाइफ में इनकॉर्पोरेट करना है, that you have to see. या आपको ग्रुप में करना है, आपको अपने आप करना है, आपको बाथरूम में खड़े होकर जोर से बोलना है, या आपको अपने बालकनी में खड़े हो. I do it in the balcony. हमें तो बहुत बार ऐसे हाथ खोल के I say gratitude many times. I mean कोई देख रहा है नहीं देख रहा, I don't care. I'm talking to the universe. मुझे बाकी लोगों से क्या लेना. So अगर ये भी सोचो कि अरे वो क्या सोचेगा, तो फिर छोड़ो ना यार, फिर नहीं कुछ होने वाला. Just go beyond it. Just be that inner child in you. बच्चा कभी नहीं सोचता वो दूसरा क्या सोचेगा मेरे बारे में, वो करता है जो उसका मन करता है करने के लिए. So do this exercise every day and tell everybody in your family, include everybody in the family. अगर चाहिए हमें abundance तो सबके लिए चाहिए ना, घर में सबको चाहिए. और अभी से अगर बच्चों को भी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए और आपके घर में सब मिलके करेंगे, तो सोचो ना कितनी जल्दी abundance आएगा, because universe is always responding. अगर सब इकट्ठे करेंगे तो हो सकता है और भी जल्दी आए. हाँ जी, पढ़ें. Yeah, Almas, please read.
Prosperity can mean many things. Money, love, success, comfort, beauty, time, knowledge. You create prosperity by talking and thinking about your abundance. You cannot create prosperity by talking or thinking about your lack. When you concentrate on lack, it only creates more lack. Poverty thinking brings more poverty. Gratitude thinking brings more abundance. Your mirror work is a very powerful tool that will help bring more prosperity into your life. When you allow the abundance of the universe to flow through your experiences, you can receive everything you desire. All it takes is practice and your mirror.
Yeah. So if you're thinking about scarcity, you're thinking of going to Goa, but then you say, मेरे पास तो पैसे ही नहीं है. Yeah. So you are thinking of abundance, you want to go there, but thinking क्या है? Scarcity. पैसे नहीं है. And whenever you're thinking like that, you're not receptive, you're not open, you're not being grateful for what you have. Rather than complaining and saying, I don't have money, if you keep saying thank you for whatever you have, you know how it expands. Because agar aapko gratitude ka mantra yaad ho, so whoever is saying, paying gratitude for whatever is increasing. Yeah? और जिसके लिए हम नहीं करते, जो है वो भी ले लेता है वो हमसे. So gratitude is something which actually helps us in attracting abundance in our life. But उसको वहां पे रोक कौन देता है? हमारा thought process, हमारे beliefs. क्योंकि scarcity की thought है हमारी. Abundance मांग रहे हैं, पर मन में ये पैसा ही नहीं है, अकाउंट में पैसा ही नहीं है, जितना आता है उससे ज्यादा तो खर्च हो जाता है. So आपका मनी को लेके बिलीफ क्या है? What is your belief about money? Is it hard-earned money? I remember like in this only when we would do the exercise, क्या आपका बचपन में आपके घर का environment में मनी को लेके क्या conversations थे? क्या experiences थे? Because we actually start doing the same thing in our life. और ये बात हमने पहले भी सुनी है और देखी भी है कि हमें अपने पेरेंट्स के लाइफ से जो कुछ भी सीखने को मिला या जो भी चीज वी रिजेंट इन देम, वो कहीं ना कहीं हमारी लाइफ में भी आ जाती है. वी आर ऑल्सो डूइंग द सेम थिंग, दो वी रिजेंट इट इन देम. हमें अच्छी नहीं लगती उनमें वो बात, पर हम भी वही कर रहे होते हैं. सो सिमिलरली मनी को लेकर आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस क्या है, आपका थॉट प्रोसेस क्या है? अगर आपका थॉट प्रोसेस स्कैर्सिटी का है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप मैं अपने एग्जाम्पल ही देती रहती हूँ हर टाइम. जैसे मान लो आपने कुछ खरीदा एंड आपसे नहीं मैं इतने पैसे नहीं दूंगा, तो बहुत महंगा है, आई कांट अफोर्ड इट. व्हाट आर यू टेलिंग द यूनिवर्स? यू बाइंग इट, यू पेइंग फॉर इट आल्सो, बट यू आर सेइंग आई कांट अफोर्ड इट, बहुत महंगा है, इतने पैसे नहीं दूंगा मैं. तो व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट? यू टॉकिंग अबाउट स्कैर्सिटी एंड यू नॉट बीइंग ग्रेटफुल फॉर इट. सो अपने आप को ना चेक करना शुरू करो. बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड मैजिक में तो कर ही रहे थे, बट अब सिंस येस्टरडे आई वाज जस्ट चेकिंग माई सेल्फ कि मैं कहाँ पर ऐसे कर रही हूँ. या and yesterday when this guy did massage and I was just thinking I'll give him some money and I was just thinking इसको कितने पैसे दूं, and मेरे पास ना चेंज नहीं थी. I was thinking 200-300 रुपए दे देती हूँ. and तो वो क्या था? scarcity thinking. Then I just gave whatever, like I gave him money and I said thank you so much for मेरे इतनी सेवा करने के लिए and all. But what I'm saying is the first thought was इतने नहीं देने हैं इसको. So that was also coming from the thought of scarcity. ये मेरे पास जितने हैं खर्च हो जाएंगे, इसको इतने दे दूंगी तो फिर बाकी चीजों के लिए मेरे को कम ना पड़ जाए. माइंड में वही चल रहा है, नहीं इतने नहीं देने, इतना थोड़ी इतना किया है जो मैं इसको इतने पैसे दे दूं. Rather than being grateful that he eased my pain, जो मेरे पैरों में इतनी पेन थी, वो अपने आप आके उसने मेरे पैरों की मसाज करी है. I'm not being grateful for that. I was thinking about money and that too scarcity. सिमिलरली जब मैं पैसे खर्चना शुरू करती हूँ, मैं खर्चती भी हूँ एंड मैं कहीं ना कहीं रहता है यार खत्म हो जाएंगे, इतने रह गए बस, इतने ही रह गए बस। वो एक माइंड में वो बात आती रहती है, आई कीप चेकिंग माई अकाउंट, इतने से रह गए बस और निकलवाने पड़ेंगे, यू नो लाइक दैट। सो व्हाट एम आई गिविंग द सिग्नल टू द यूनिवर्स, आई डोंट हैव इनफ, आई हैव स्केर्सिटी ऑफ मनी, ये भी खत्म हो जाएंगे। स्केर्सिटी है ना, अबंडेंस हो तो खत्म थोड़ी होंगे, वो तो आते ही रहेंगे। इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द माइंडसेट ऑफ स्केर्सिटी यू फील दैट पैसे खर्च हो रहे हैं, खत्म हो जाएंगे। So you have to keep looking. See, this book is all about you. You have to keep checking अपने आप को हर बार आप चेक करते रहो कि आपका माइंडसेट क्या है, आप क्या सोच रहे हो। या प्लीज रीड।
मैम here suppose we are going to withdraw money और हमें ऐसे लगता है कि ये पैसे अभी खत्म हो रहे हैं, so we can always say thank you for being there in my account and I have more than enough.
Yeah.
ऐसे we can
I have
say that.
abundance. Yeah, I have more than enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever you give out comes back to you. Always, if you take from life, then life will take from you.
ये बात तो हमें
It's
अच्छे से
that
पता है
simple.
ना। This thing is very clear to us. After doing magic, we all know this. What goes around comes around. आप जो दोगे आपको वही वापस मिलेगा। आपने अगर किसी को आज डांटा है, आपने किसी को गुस्से से बात करी है, तो आपने मान लो रास्ते में किसी को डांट दिया और पक्का है घर में आके बीवी से आपकी झगड़ा होने वाला, बीवी आपसे लड़ाई करने वाली है, बीवी आपको सुनाने वाली है, आपको डांटने वाली है। तो सिमिलरली अगर आपने किसी को कुछ अच्छा किया, आपने किसी को कुछ दिया, आई मीन आई रिमेम्बर, मैंने आपसे पहले भी शेयर किया था, I just took out some clothes and I just gave it to one of the maids who comes, आती रहती है वो मिलने के लिए। I just gave her, I said तू ये ले जा। And I was going to attend a wedding next day. मैं wedding से वापस आई तो मुझे wedding पे ही सूट मिला। And the moment I came and told Vanita देख मुझे ये सूट मिला, तो that maid was also sitting there. You know what she said? दीदी आपने मुझे एक सूट दिया था ना, कल देखो आपको एक सूट मिल गया। I mean, she also could see that. And I really got present to it. Yes, what goes around comes around. आप जो अच्छा करते हो वो भी वापस आता है आपके पास, और जो आप अच्छा नहीं करते हो वो भी वापस आता है आपके पास। So if you're taking from life means अगर आप हमेशा सबसे कुछ ना कुछ ले रहे हो, सबसे कुछ ना कुछ चाह रहे हो, बट कुछ कर नहीं रहे हो किसी के लिए, तो life will also start taking it from you in some form or the other. Yeah. हाँ जी, पढ़े।
You may feel that you do not steal, but are you counting the paper clips and stamps you are taking home from the office? Are you a person who steals time or robs others of respect? All these things are telling the universe, I don't really deserve the good in life.
Okay,
I
pause.
have to sneak.
Yeah, pause. Okay, so it's a very normal thing for people ना, जो ऑफिस में होते हैं, A4 साइज पेपर ले आए, बच्चों को कुछ काम है तो स्टेपलर ले आए, स्टेपल पिन्स ले आए, पेपर क्लिप्स ले आए। I mean, it's very normal. I've seen most of the people doing it. But what are you giving signal to the universe? That you don't have enough, that you have to sneak things. आपको चीजें चुरानी पड़ती हैं. And it's not about money also. You're stealing time of people. जब आपने किसी को वक्त दिया, आप उस टाइम पे नहीं पहुंचे, you are actually stealing time of that person, no? You're robbing that person of that time. आपको अगर 1 घंटा उसके साथ चाहिए था एंड आप आधा घंटा लेट पहुंचे हैं और 1 घंटा आपको लगेगा ही लगेगा, तो आपने वो आधा घंटा उसका चुरा लिया ना। You robbed that person of that half an hour. We don't even realize this. Or if you're not respecting somebody, आपने किसी को गुस्से से कुछ बोल दिया, किसी ड्राइवर को डांट दिया, या किसी को आपको लगा कि यार ये तो छोटा इंसान है, आपने किसी रिक्शे वाले को बोल दिया, इज्जत तो सबकी है, सेल्फ एस्टीम तो सबकी है, आपने अगर उसकी इज्जत उतारी है तो बी श्योर आपकी भी उतरने वाली है, because what goes around comes around. So when you are doing such things, you are actually telling the universe that they don't deserve it. अगर आप किसी और की बेइज्जती कर रहे हो, you are telling the universe that I don't deserve to be respected, I don't deserve to be loved. And if you're ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीजें चुरा रहे हो, तो आप यूनिवर्स को ये बता रहे हो, I don't deserve, मेरे पास तो है ही नहीं कुछ, मैं तो I have scarcity, तभी मैं चुरा रहा हूँ. So these small things, you don't even realize कितना बड़ा हमारे जिंदगी में ब्लंडर क्रिएट कर देती है, और हमें पता ही नहीं होता कि हम ऐसी चीजें करके अपने ही फ्लो को रोक रहे हैं. जो अबंडेंस हम यूनिवर्स से मांग रहे हैं, उसके बीच में रोड़े अटका रहे हैं. या प्लीज रीड.
Yes. I don't really deserve the good in life. I have to sneak it, steal it. Be aware of the beliefs that may be blocking the flow of money and prosperity in your life. Then use your mirror work to change those beliefs and create new abundant thinking. The best thing you can do if you are having money problems is to develop prosperity thinking. There are two prosperity affirmations I have used for many years that work well for me. They will work for you too. They are: my income is constantly increasing and I prosper wherever I turn. When something comes into your life, say yes to it. Open yourself to receiving good. Say yes to your world. Opportunities and prosperity will increase 100-fold. Once a day, stand with your arms open wide and say with joy, I am open and receptive to all the abundance in the universe. Thank you, life. Life will hear you and respond.
Okay, pause. So what it says is that there are two affirmations which really work, which has really worked for her and which will really work for you also. That my income is constantly increasing. हम लोग यही तो चाहते हैं ना कि हमारा जितना भी हम कमा रहे हैं वो बढ़ता जाए. I get more clients, I get more business. That's what we are looking for all the time, no? So you can always start creating such affirmations for yourself that I am I am attracting more clients. I'm getting new client every day, or I am getting new order every day. So whatever is helping you in increasing your income, just anything to do with that, you can start creating your own affirmations. Or you can start using this affirmation itself, that my income is constantly increasing. Yeah. And prosperity के जितने भी affirmations हैं, उसमें से जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा आपके दिल को लगता है ना, आप वो वाला पिक कर लो. Yeah. जैसे there was one that my investments are multiplying every day. So whatever investments you have done in the shares or mutual funds or FDs or whatever, and you just keep saying this, my investments are multiplying manifold every day. So these kinds of affirmations you can start creating for yourself, because that will give universe that signal that I'm open to it. Yeah. And once a day, खड़े होकर अपने हाथ खोलकर, जैसे अभी हमने खड़ा था, बाहें खोलकर, जैसे शाहरुख खान स्टाइल, उस तरह से आपने अपने दोनों हाथ खोलने हैं और बोलना है ये, that I'm open and receptive to all the abundance of the universe. Yeah. And this one about life also. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's
Please.
affirm.
Yeah.
Life supplies all my needs in great abundance. I trust life.
अच्छा, हम
Your
लोग ना
day
सबसे
is
पहले तो ट्रस्ट लाइफ को बिलीव ही नहीं करते हैं. सो वी फील लाइफ इज वेरी क्या बोलते हैं, there's a word यार, अनफेयर. लाइफ इज वेरी अनफेयर. हम मोस्टली यही बोलते हैं ना, लाइफ इज वेरी अनफेयर यार. हाउ कैन लाइफ थ्रो सच थिंग्स एट मी, या उसके साथ ऐसे कैसे कर सकती है लाइफ, जिंदगी ऐसे कैसे कर सकती है ना. बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट सेइंग आई ट्रस्ट लाइफ, life will start responding. And when it says that be a yes person, that means whenever somebody is asking you to do something, आपका first reaction क्या होता है? Can you do it? और आपका ये होता है नहीं नहीं यार मैं नहीं करने वाला, या मैं नहीं करने वाली, मुझसे नहीं होगा. Somebody says let's go out of Delhi. I say नहीं यार कहाँ जाऊंगा, पैसे ही नहीं है, या मेरी बीवी नहीं जाने देगी, या बच्चों को छोड़ के कैसे जाऊंगा. तो so you are a no person, because for everything you're saying no. Any opportunity coming your way, you say no. Somebody says यहाँ पे ना एक opening है, this is for this profile. Say नहीं यार, it doesn't match my requirement. No. So you're always saying no. You're not a yes person. You don't give yourself an opportunity. कोई बोलता है चल यार पार्टी हो रही है, तू क्यों खड़ा है यहाँ पे साइड में, तू भी डांस कर. नहीं 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 नहीं, मैं नहीं नाचता. आई डू दैट ऑल द टाइम. नहीं नहीं मुझे नाचना नहीं आता. नो नो नो, आई से नो. सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट इट कि आप नो कितना बोलते हो. आर यू अ नो पर्सन और आर यू सेइंग यस? व्हेन यू आर सेइंग यस टू थिंग्स, यू आर सेइंग यस टू लाइफ, यू आर सेइंग यस टू यूनिवर्स. सो यू हैव टू, बिकॉज जब आप नो बोल रहे हो तो आप नेगेटिव हो रहे हो. And negativity will never give you what you want in your life. Only gratitude and being happy about things will bring that. No. तो अगर आपको मैग्नेट बनना है तो यू हैव टू बी हैप्पी एंड ग्रेटफुल. और अगर आप नो 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 कर रहे हो तो आप यू आर अ नो पर्सन. दैट मीन्स यू आर ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर नेगेटिविटी. अगर आप नो कर रहे हो तो कुछ तो आपने नेगेटिव देखा तभी तो नो कर रहे हो ना. सी इफ समबडी सेज कि आप सब लोग नाच रहे, तू क्यों नहीं नाच रहे, चल नाच, तो आपने सब बोला नो. Why did you say no? Tell me. Any one of you?
Because we are hesitant to do.
Why are you hesitant to do?
We feel we are not good to dance.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am.
Hello. So you are actually saying I'm not good enough.
Yes.
And what kind of a feeling is that? Good, bad, negative, positive?
It's negative.
Yeah.
it's negative.
आपकी जो फाइल खुली हुई है ना, I'm not good enough, वो उसी में जाके फाइल हो रहा है. So whenever you're saying no to things, it is negative. And whenever you're saying yes to things, it is positive, that you are open to it. You are being grateful for it. You are being positive about it. And your positive vibrations भेजोगे तो you will attract more of positivity, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
be a yes person rather than being a no person. The only thing is हमें पता ही नहीं चलता ना. Because this has been the way we have been always. हमें पता ही नहीं हम कहाँ कहाँ नो कर रहे हैं. जब मैंने बोला कि मुझे कोई बोलता है डांस करने के लिए, मैं बोलती नहीं 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 मुझे नहीं आता, तो कहीं ना कहीं तो आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है ना, which is negative. So I'm a no person. So I have to also start looking at it. मैं किस चीज के लिए ना बोलती हूँ. So you also start looking at yourself. पूरे दिन में देखो आप कितनी कौन सी चीजों के लिए ना बोल रहे हो. And you will realize that you also are no person. You're not a yes person. Yeah. Okay, let's start mirror work.
Your day 18 mirror work exercise. 1. Today your mirror work is going to focus on receiving your prosperity. Stand up with your arms outstretched and say, I am open and receptive to all good. 2. Now look into the mirror and say it again. I'm open and receptive to all good. Let the words flow from your heart. I am open and receptive to all good. 3. Repeat this affirmation 10 more times. 4. Notice how you feel. Do you feel liberated? Do this exercise every morning until the end of your mirror work course. It's a wonderful way to increase your prosperity and consciousness.
Okay, so it says first stand and open your arms, outstretch your arms and say these words. I'm open and receptive to all good, right? Then it says, now stand in front of the mirror. Acha, ab ye kya hai? These are the like formulas, right? Like in magic we had formulas. So these are the formulas this book is teaching us कि affirmations कौन सी बोलनी है. ठीक है? For everything it is giving us an affirmation, which is actually basically एक formula दे रही है ना वो हमें. अब formula को समझना है, समझना किससे है? दिमाग से है. और बोलना कहाँ से है? दिल से है. That's what it says in the point number 2. Now look into the mirror. Please read it. Almas, please read it.
Point number 2. Now look into the mirror and say it again. I'm open and receptive to all good. Let the words flow from your heart. I'm open and receptive to all good.
Okay. Now what it says is,
3.
पहले समझ लो कि affirmation क्या है, करना कैसे है. That is your brain, that is your mind which is coming into play. आपने पहले इसको समझना है, कैसे करना है, सीखना है उसको, उसके बाद दिल से बोलना है. अगर आपको याद हो, मैजिक में भी हम कहते हैं ना, फीलिंग्स के साथ बोलोगे. फीलिंग इज द फ्यूल. सिमिलरली हियर, व्हेन यू से इट विद फीलिंग्स, आप दिल से जब उसको बोलोगे, आंखों में देख के अपने आप को, that will give you that opening of abundance in your life. Yeah, so you have to do it 10 times, right? उसके बाद आपने देखना है कि आपको फील कैसा हुआ जब आपने शुरू किया, तब से लेकर 10 बार बोलने के बाद, are you feeling liberated? Are you feeling happy? Yeah, so you have to check that. Okay, let's do the journaling exercise now.
Yes. The power is within you. Your day 18 journaling exercise. What are your beliefs about money? Go back to the mirror, look into your eyes and say, my biggest fear about money is, fill in your fear. Write down your answer and why you feel this way. 2. What did you learn about money as a child? How were your finances handled in your family? How do you handle money now? Write your thoughts down. Do you see any patterns?
Okay, pause. First, you have to write what is your fear about money. So what are your fears about money? What is your fear about money, Varun?
मेरे को फियर ये होता है कि मेरे पास कम है और जो है वो भी खत्म हो जाए.
Yeah.
And दूसरा फियर ये है कि I'm not good enough to earn more.
Yeah. So you have to write down these fears and stand in front of the mirror and say these to yourself. This is my fear about money. Because हमने कभी इसका सामना ही नहीं किया है. हम सिर्फ इसके बारे में बोलते हैं या सोचते हैं, पर उसको आंखों में देख के सामना नहीं किया है उसका. So today is the time to write it down and look into your mirror and say it in your mirror, अपनी आंखों में देख के कि मुझे इस चीज से डर लगता है कि मेरे पास पैसे कम है और खत्म हो जाएंगे और मेरे पास इतनी काबिलियत नहीं है कि मैं और पैसे कमा सकता हूँ. You know, whatever is coming, whatever is your fear, say it in front of the mirror in your looking into your eyes. Now, point number 2 is जब आप बचपन में, जब आप बड़े हो रहे थे, छोटे से थे, तो आपके घर में मनी को लेके क्या था? हाउ वाज इट हैंडल्ड? हाउ वाज इट हैंडल्ड इन योर फैमिली, वरुण, व्हेन यू वर अ चाइल्ड?
It is very difficult to make money. इसको बहुत ध्यान से खर्च करो. जब जब कमाने जाओगे तो पता चलेगा कितनी मेहनत से कमाते हैं.
या
And spend with care. तो ना एक ना वो था, एक इनसिक्योरिटी का माहौल रहा है हमेशा से ही ना.
एंड व्हाट इज द पैटर्न इन योर लाइफ नाउ?
बहुत सिक्योरली स्पेंड करता हूँ. और एक जैसे एक लेविशली स्पेंड करना होता है ना, कि जो पसंद आया वो ले लिया, इस बात की परवाह नहीं कि आगे पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे, वो चीज नहीं है. So when I spend money, I am always afraid, I am fearful.
वो इनसिक्योरिटी यहाँ पे भी है ना?
Yes, yes.
या सो एवरीबॉडी हैज टू. हाँ,
वो कंडीशनिंग ही वैसी है, इनसिक्योरिटी वाली.
हाँ, तो वही देखना है ना कि हमारे अपब्रिंगिंग में हमारे को मनी से लेकर क्या क्या हमें विरासत में मिला है, जो हम आगे कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं. If you start looking at it, exactly that's what you are doing. And when I start looking at it in my life, I am also doing exactly the same thing. Yeah. Now, point number 3.
Now do some journaling to shift yourself into prosperity thinking. Write down what it would be like to have all the things you have always wanted. What would they be? What would your life look like then? Where would you travel? What would you do? Feel it, enjoy it, be creative and have fun.
Okay. Now the third point is, अगर आपके पास पैसा हो, abundance हो, तो आप करोगे क्या उसका? क्या करोगे वरुण? Since I'm working with you, so might as well ask you.
तो मैं, अगर मेरे पास पैसा होगा तो सबसे पहले तो मैं घूमूंगा. लाइक मेरे ना,
कहाँ जाओगे?
I will go to Disneyland, USA.
Okay.
That is my dream place to visit.
Okay. And how would you go?
By air.
Okay.
और पूरा उसमें लाइक पूरा तो फिर तो प्रोसेस ही है, पूरा टिकट्स बुक कराना, हमारा होटल बुक
No,
कराना.
that's fine. That's fine. What I'm asking, are you going in economy or are you going in business class? Where are you staying? Are you staying in a 3-star, 4-star, 5-star hotel? So you have to think about all that, experience that. कि मैं business class में जा रहा हूँ, कितना अच्छी सीट्स हैं, कैसे मेरे को आके बार-बार एयर होस्टेस पूछ रही है आप क्या पियोगे, और कितनी lavishly वो हमें सर्व करते हैं and all. So you have to experience that. और अगर डिज्नीलैंड जा रहे हो तो डिज्नीलैंड में क्या क्या होगा, कैसे कैसे झूले होंगे, कैसे एंजॉय करेंगे. सो यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट ऑल दोस थिंग्स. एंड इफ यू वांट टू बाय अ लग्जरी कार, व्हिच इज द कार, एंड इफ यू सिटिंग इन दैट कार, तो कैसा फील आ रहा है. लाइक वी डिड दैट इन विजुअलाइजेशन इन मैजिक. सो टुडे यू हैव टू जस्ट थिंक, अगर आपके पास पैसा आएगा तो आपको कहाँ कहाँ जाना है, क्या क्या करना है, क्या क्या खरीदना है, उसको कैसे स्पेंड करना है, एंड उसको एक्सपीरियंस करना है आपको.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's a big creative and have fun. तो अगर आप सिर्फ सोच रहे हो कि मेरे को डिज्नीलैंड जाना है, मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ डिज्नीलैंड जाना है मुझे, बस that is enough. No, but when you actually start playing with it, okay, I'm boarding a flight and air hostess is smiling at me and giving me my seat, taken my coat, उसने उठा के रख दिया साइड में, and मुझसे पूछ रही है आप क्या पियोगे, इतनी comfortable seats हैं, and music है on board, and movies हैं, इतना लंबा रास्ता है, but मुझे पता ही नहीं चल रहा, इतना मजा कर रहा हूँ मैं. And then we land there, and then we check into a beautiful, इतना खूबसूरत होटल है, इतना and the weather is so beautiful there, and इतनी अच्छी हवा चल रही है, ठंडी ठंडी, मुंह पे इतनी अच्छी लग रही है. And when you start imagining all those things, be more creative, have fun. That's what it's saying. और अगर आप कहीं Almas,
I just want to say, I actually experienced this. I had done visualization and all with regard to my birthday, and it was like, surprise that my husband, my children, they had booked a villa in Lonavala. I had put
Okay.
that video also on Facebook as well. That it was my 52nd birthday, and it was a great surprise for me that we had been to that place. Uh, Similarly, as I had visualized, all my family members, my sisters, their children, all were there with us. We enjoyed a lot over there, like playing games and preparing some special meals. Although it was a villa, but we had to prepare our own meals. But we enjoyed because of the lockdown. We could not go sightseeing and all, but we stayed indoors and we enjoyed a lot. It was a beautiful experience that time.
Yeah, but just because you had visualized about it, right?
Visualized, yes, yes, manifested for my birthday actually.
Yeah.
So this was a dream coming true. First
Yeah,
time we
that's
had
right.
been out on a birthday, like.
That's what I'm saying. So be more creative and have a lot of fun in visualizing this. अच्छा मेरे पास गाड़ी है तो मेरे पास चमचमाती सी मर्सिडीज है, इसका ये कलर है, एंड द मोमेंट आई ओपन द डोर, वाओ कितनी अच्छी स्मेल आ रही है अंदर से, इसकी अपहोल्स्ट्री कितनी अच्छी है, लुक एट द डैशबोर्ड, कितने सारे पैनल्स हैं. एंड आई रिसेंटली आई वेंट टू माय नीसेस हाउस. Her husband has bought Audi and he took us for a ride. Wow, what a experience. It was such a wonderful experience. There was some all panels on the uh, dashboard, and you can actually customize the panels. कौन सा वाला panel कहाँ रखना है, you can actually do that. And then when he उसको speed up किया ना उसने, accelerate किया, ओह इतना डर लग रहा था, इतने छोटे से डिस्टेंस में उसने इतना एक्सेलरेट किया, इतने ज्यादा डर लगा, एंड ब्रेकिंग वाज सो स्मूथ. I mean, there was no even, not even a jerk when there was a break, sudden break जब उसने उसको ब्रेक लगाया. So when you start imagining, मैं अपनी गाड़ी में बैठा हूँ, रूफ टॉप खुला है उसका, हवा चल रही है, म्यूजिक मेरा फेवरेट चल रहा है, क्या डैशबोर्ड कितना स्मार्ट है उसका, and I'm wearing my sunglasses, and wherever I'm crossing, people are actually turning and looking at my car and myself. Start imagining and having fun. तो ऐसे ऐसे करके कुछ फन करो अपने साथ, ठीक है? Okay, let's do the hard part.
Your heart thought for day 18. I am a yes person. I know that I am one with all life. I am surrounded by and permitted with infinite wisdom. Therefore, I rely totally on the universe to support me in every positive way. Everything I could possibly need is already here waiting for me. This planet has more food on it than I could possibly eat. There is more money than I could ever spend. There are more people than I could ever meet. There is more love than I could possibly experience. There is more joy than I can even imagine. This world has everything I need and desire. It is all mine to use and to have. The one infinite mind, the one infinite intelligence always says yes to me. No matter what I choose to believe or think or say, the universe always says yes. I do not waste my time on negative thinking or negative subjects. I choose to see myself and life in the most positive way. I say yes to opportunity and prosperity. I say yes to all good. I am a yes person living in a yes world, being responded to by a yes universe, and I rejoice that this is so. I am grateful to be one with universal wisdom and backed by universal power.
Okay. So when it is talking about being yes person and it says universe is always saying yes. तो आप लोगों को सबको पता है ना कि जब भी हम कुछ भी पुराने जमाने की मूवीज माइथोलॉजिकल मूवीज भी देखो और वैसे भी हम कहते हैं कि आप जो भी मांगते हो यूनिवर्स इज ऑलवेज सेइंग तथास्तु. तथास्तु इज यस. व्हाटएवर यू से इज डन. जो आप मांग रहे हो वो मिल रहा है. नेगेटिव है तो भी मिल रहा है, पॉजिटिव है तो भी मिल रहा है. Yeah. So if you're being a yes person, you are tapping into that infinite wisdom, which is guiding you to be a yes person, because that is always there. वो यूनिवर्स जो है और वो जो इनफाइनाइट पावर है, जो परमात्मा है या जो आप सुपर पावर है, is always available. We can always tap into that and get all the wisdom. अगर आप सुबह उठते हो, अगर आप सुबह उठ के मेडिटेशन करते हो या आप सुबह उठ के सिर्फ आंखें बंद कर सिर्फ डीप ब्रीदिंग करते हो, so whatever questions you have, you get answers to it. Where does the answer come from? It is the infinite wisdom. That wisdom is always available. The only thing is we don't know how to tap into it. So now when you become a yes person, you are tapping into that wisdom because you are being positive all the time. So when you're being positive all the time, you will be getting those signals of positivity from the universe also, because you will be able to tap into it. हम उसमें tap in क्यों नहीं कर पाते हैं? Because of our negativity. वो negativity का aura इतना ज़्यादा है कि हम positive हो ही नहीं पाते हैं. And when you're doing deep breathing and you're doing meditation, what are you doing? You are actually letting go of all the negative thoughts. वो आते हैं, वो चले जाते हैं, आते हैं, चले जाते हैं, आते हैं, चले जाते हैं. There comes a time when you are one with that universe. And when you are one with that universe, and at that time, whatever you ask, you get answers to it. क्योंकि पूछोगे तो जवाब मिलेगा. नहीं पूछोगे तो जवाब कैसे मिलेगा ना? So keep asking questions. So when you are asking questions from infinite wisdom, infinite power, you will get answers. So be a yes person, and universe is always saying yes to you. So believe in that. Universe is always saying yes to you. Yeah, let's do the meditation part.
Yes. Your day 18 meditation. Receiving prosperity. You can never create prosperity by talking about or thinking about your lack of money. This is wasted thinking and cannot bring you abundance. Dwelling on lack only creates more lack. Poverty thinking brings more poverty. Gratitude thinking brings abundance. There are a few attitudes and affirmations that are guaranteed to keep prosperity beyond reach. Presenting other people for the amount of money they have just puts up a wall between you and your own flow. And negative affirmations like there is never enough money and money goes out faster than it comes in represent poverty thinking of the worst kind. The universe can respond only to what you believe about yourself and about life. Examine whatever negative thoughts you have about money and then decide to let them go. They have not served you well in the past and they will not serve you well in the future. You can buy an occasional lottery ticket for fun, but do not put a lot of attention into winning the lottery and thinking that will solve your problems. This is scarcity thinking and will not create lasting good. Winning the lottery seldom brings positive changes in anyone's life. In fact, most lottery winners lose almost all their winnings within the first 2 years and are often worse off financially than before they won. If you think that winning the lottery will solve all your problems, you are greatly mistaken because it doesn't involve changing your consciousness. In effect, you are saying to the universe, I don't deserve to have good in my life except by a fluke. If you change your thinking to allow the abundance of the universe to flow through your experience, you can have all the things you think the lottery can bring you, and you will be able to keep them because they will be yours by right of consciousness. Affirming, declaring, deserving, and allowing all are the steps to attracting riches far greater than you could ever win in a lottery. Open your consciousness to new ideas about money and it will be yours. If you want to bring more money and prosperity into your life, repeat these affirmations with feeling. I am a money, sorry, I am a magnet for money. Prosperity of every kind is drawn to me. At work, I am deeply appreciated and well compensated. I live in a loving, abundant, harmonious universe and I am grateful. I am open to the unlimited prosperity that exists everywhere. The law of attraction brings only good into my life. I move from poverty thinking to prosperity thinking, and my finances reflect this change. Good comes to me from everywhere and everyone. I express gratitude for all the good in my life. Each day brings wonderful new surprises. I pay my bills with love and I rejoice as I write out each check. Abundance flows freely through me. I deserve the best and I accept the best now. I release all resistance to money and allow it to flow joyously into my life. My good comes from everywhere and everyone.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for this reading the session today.
Welcome.
Yeah. And it is a very important session because everybody wants money. पैसा तो सबको चाहिए.
Yes.
And what is blocking it, what is blocking the flow of money into our life is what this chapter has taught us. That हमारे अपने ही beliefs हैं, हमारे अपने ही we are not open and receptive to it because हमारे जो thoughts हैं वो scarcity के हैं and we are asking for money. So how to shift that? For that, there is this affirmations and you're opening your arms and telling the universe. It's a symbol which you're giving to the universe, right? And universe को तो वैसे ही symbols बहुत पसंद है. याद है ना आपको कि जितने आप symbolically आप अपने आसपास props रखते हो उतना ही चीजें जल्दी होती हैं, right? So even if you remember the Secret movie, so the kind of props you keep around you is what is attracting because you're giving the universe this signs that I'm open to it. I'm ready for it. Give it to me, like that. And be a yes person. Start looking at it कि आप कहाँ पर no बोलते हैं. Or you open your arms and doing this, just start doing it from today. Include everybody from the family. सबको मिला लो साथ में. सब मिलके करो. And do it with feelings. Yeah. समझ के और feel करके करना है. Right? So thank you everybody. आज थोड़ा session भी काफी लंबा हो गया 8 बज गए पूरे.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you everybody and I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully others will also join tomorrow. So we have just got 3 more days to do. And after that we will see when to do it next because एक बार में तो ये समझ आने वाली book ही नहीं है. Yeah. Thank you everybody. Thank you.